Let him go, Grace.
Oh, you're... See how soft he is. He is so soft.
Yeah.
He's so precious.
No, I don't want to see him. I don't want to see him.
Dad said no, but look at him, already plotting his first cuddle.
Are you serious? No, not this again.
Leave us alone.
No, Chase, come here. Come here.
Dad didn't ask for a furry alarm clock, but here we are.
Are you trying to wake up Alec?
No snooze button on this one. That's the thing with cats. They always find the perfect spot to make you pay attention. Even if you pretend you don't care.
What's going on?
I'm being violated.
Dad says he doesn't like the cat. But he's definitely got a secret snack sharing arrangement going on.
Guys, y'all know how much I hate cats. You've heard me say on several videos.
Here if you want.
The first cuddle. The moment when resistance crumbles, one soft purr at a time.
Look, I'm gonna put him down. Okay, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're the most important one. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, Dad, those shoes aren't going anywhere. The cat's on a mission. They say the best friendships are forged in sleep. Looks like Dad's found his new napping buddy. And just like that, the no cats in the house rule. Slowly turns into no cats on my lap. Well, maybe just this once.
Really? You're just gonna sit there like that? Now you're gonna turn your back on me.
This is awesome. This totally solves the problem of him getting on my laptop while I'm on it.
Dad said he didn't want a pet. But now he's got a TV watching partner. So, who's the boss now, Dad?
No puedo darte los detalles debido al privilegio de abogado cliente. Te pregunto porque pensé que sabrías, ya que tú vives con una persona.
No one's safe when the cat's in the mood for mischief. Dad's shoe collection will never be the same.
Here, buddy. Let's sing a song, yeah?
When Dad said he didn't need help, the cat took that as a challenge. So, who needs paperwork when you have a cat? One of them is fascinated by the bird, the other? Well, let's just say Dad's more invested than he thought. From I don't want a cat to I guess we're sharing this blanket now. How quickly things change.
Hey Google, stop music.
Wait, you're already home?
This again?
Yeah, it's spa day.
It's official. Dad's got himself a little shadow. And guess what? He doesn't seem to mind one bit. Ah, the moment of truth. He didn't want a cat, but now? He wouldn't trade this bond for the world.
I had to, he can't sit still.
In the end, it's not just about wanting or not wanting a cat. It's about how they sneak into your heart when you least expect it. And let's be honest, Dad never stood a chance.